Welcome to the channel. I have another product to share with you. In the box that has just arrived, we should have the SmallRig RGB Video Light, and let's go ahead and open it, have a look. Oh, and I've almost forgotten, I've got some camera mounts also arrived with the pack, but more about that in the future. Here's the light that I've got. Is an RGB video light by P96L. The case is made of aluminum, and I have had nothing but good reviews about it. For full disclosure, this is purchased from my own money. I don't have any affiliation with the brand. This video is purely to share my experience with you, and I unbox it as I see it. In the box, we've got the instructions, but the product itself is quite small actually. I would have thought it was bigger than this. Just to compare, next to my 5.4 inch phone, this is it, just for comparison. So yeah, as I was saying, it looks a little smaller to my expectation, but other than that, it looks and feels quite good. Being aluminum, looks not really dissimilar to some of the iPhones. In the box, you would also get USB-A on one end and USB-C on the other. That's just to charge it up. That's all you get in a box. The RGB video light. There's a nice little LED display for you to see what settings you are on. There's a little 1/4 inch hole that it would allow you to mount it, and exactly why I bought these camera mounts as well. These work really well with this, and then it would allow me to mount this on top of a camera or on the bottom of a camera. But I will make more videos just to show how it works, and perhaps in the next video that I will face the camera, I'll probably have this displayed in the background. And so yeah, just be sure to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe so you can see my videos as they come through. So I will put this to test for you all to see it in action. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye.